GeoGrid Cellular Paving tiles create an excellent system for outdoor flooring drainage and soil stabilization. Capable of withstanding up to 35 tons per square foot, they are commonly used for driveways, parking lots, and outdoor event areas. Made of durable polyethylene plastic, the tiles clip together over virtually any surface, including dirt, grass, sand, or gravel, and are designed to allow for expansion and contraction. No tools are necessary for installation. These tiles come in sheets of pre-assembled 4-grid sections for fast installation. Begin in a corner, keeping both sides with extended tabs facing outward. Keeping the next tile or sheet of tiles facing in the same direction, slide the slotted edges of the new tiles over the tab connectors of the already laid tiles. Push down or step on each of the new tiles until they snap over the tabs. Continue adding tiles, working out from the corner until you've reached your desired size. Once you've covered the desired area, fill the grids with aggregate or dirt. They can also be seeded with grass or filled with decorative stone for a finished surface, or used as a stable, fast-draining surface on which pavers can be placed. Enjoy your new GeoGrid Cellular Paving system. Great Mats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Great Mats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Great Mats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.